You gonna sing? Kaneki. Kaneki, do you realize how late it's getting? It's almost 7:30. You go to bed soon. Why are you so wound up? Is that your duck? Do your duck. No. Do your duck. Oh, look at you. Act like you don't know what a duck is. You better give me your duck. Hey. Panda and April, yes. Kaneki. Give me your duck. Oh, you're so naughty. Will you do your duck? Come on. Do your duck. Oh my goodness. Everybody's waiting on your duck. Do your duck. How's a duck go? Well, that was a half-hearted duck. Maybe that was a baby duck. Let's say duck. Let's say duck 5 times. Duck, duck. Good duck. But you added an explosion on the end. Kaneki. No, you're so funny. Let's hear a duck again. No. Give me your duck. Kaneki. Go duck. No. That's your train. That's a good train. But I want your duck. Duck. Good duck noise. You just started doing that. Yeah. Nice explosion. Are you getting tired? Where do you work? Well, which do you want, a banana or a cookie? Which would you want? Oh my goodness.
You're so funny. Good, Kaneki. You're so fucking up.
What?
Like, it's so funny.
Will you do your duck? Again? No. Your duck. Not Mommy's alarm. Do the duck. That's an explosion. Give Mommy a duck. I know, but I need one more duck. Come on. Why you show me your back? Wow.
Ew. Ew.
Come on. Do your duck. Duck, duck, duck. That's not a duck. Oh. I guess we're only going to get 2 ducks. I like your duck. You're so funny. This video might be too dark to share, Kaneki. Yeah. We might have to do it again. Good Addams Family whistle. You don't look tired at all. Little parrots need lots of sleep. Yeah. So you have to get tired. It's going to be night-night. What do you think? Do you like night-night? Come in, yeah. Uh-oh. The dog's gonna start barking? I hope not. Oh my. What was that about? Kaneki. You wanna do your duck again? No. How about a duck? Kaneki. What are you in a Peekaboo marathon? Silly. April. Do you like April? I bet you do. Wow. Okay. I guess we're gonna go. You're so great. Yeah. You are. You're hilarious. You gonna do one more duck? That's what this video is gonna be titled, Connect. You need to do at least 3 ducks. Do another duck. Are you yelling at me? Do another duck. Oh, good stretch. Nighty-night stretch. What are you going to do now? You better not start throwing your toys off there. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera off. Say bye-bye. You going to say bye-bye? Kaneki. Oh, we're going to grind paper. Oh. Much fun for a bird, isn't it? Say, well, you did your duck a couple times. I would have liked a 3rd, but I'll live with 2. Say thanks for watching. Bye-bye.